Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you watch my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Nio stock again. I know that you guys like it when I talk about Nio. It is the most popular stock that I talk about on this channel. Now, there has been some big things that have been going on with Nio, and I want to address all that in this video. So if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor before we get to it, and please be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button because it does help me with the YouTube algorithm and helps spread this video to more people that might find it interesting, and also subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to this. So let's take a look at what is going on with Nio stock. As you can see here on Thursday, October 29th, the stock really shot up quite a bit on Thursday, October 29th. And as you can see, it did hit its 52-week high, with the 52-week range being between $1.36 to $32.20. So Nio stock is just on fire. Now, here on Friday, October 30th, there is a bit of pullback, but that is to be expected when there was such a large good day in the stock. So we'll take that. Now, an analyst from HSBC gave Nio a different rating than what a lot of other analysts are currently rating Nio. And I like the way the Barron's title this article here. Nio is on fire, but a new analyst throws cold water on the stock. And this is this is the HSBC analyst Yakin Ding launched coverage of the company with a hold rating and a $30 price target, just below where shares are trading Friday. Now, I don't think that Nio stock dropping a little bit today has anything to do with this analyst at all. I think it's just pullback from the stock going up so much the day before, because there's been a lot of analysts that have been saying positive things about Nio. Now let's talk about some big news that Nio just announced, and that is on October 29th, Nio announced that they just produced their 5,000th vehicle for the month of October. And that is actually a new record number, because in September they delivered 4,708 vehicles, and just a little bit over a dozen of those were the newest model, the EC6, which came out in September. So we can expect that this month in October that they're going to do much more. This is going to be a record month. We know that. And not only that, we're probably going to hear a much greater number on the EC6. Now, they made changes in their production to be able to make more vehicles, and they're going to continue to make more changes to continue to make even more vehicles every single month. And another thing that has Nio stock moving is that Nio is going to be providing vehicles for the Beijing government between 2020 and 2022. So they have a 2-year contract, and they're one of 16 different companies that have a contract to be doing this, but that's another thing that has Nio stock moving. Now, this other bit of information really also helps out Nio stock and other electric vehicle stocks as well, and that is that the Chinese government is looking to ban the sale of new gasoline-powered vehicles by 2035, and some governments in China want to ban it as early as 2030. So in China, new gasoline-powered vehicles have between the next 10 and 15 years to sell vehicles, but I doubt that's even going to happen. I bet there's going to be such a large slowdown or phase out of gasoline powered vehicles, just because that's the way the market is going. And I think the infrastructure for charge stations in China is just going to be a big market that's going to really expand. So that's another thing to really look into. Now, if you watched the last video I made talking about Nio a couple days ago, in that video I said that I can see Nio 10xing over the next 5 years. And I think that that's very reasonable to think that. Now, a lot of people think that Nio's in a saturated market in China, that there's so many electric vehicle companies that they're going to eventually slow down. Now, electric vehicles only make up 5% of the market in China. So in my opinion, these electric vehicle companies, they've only scratched the surface of the potential that they're going to have, and especially since they're going to be phasing out gasoline-powered vehicles in the next 10 to 15 years in China. There is so much room for Nio to continue to grow. Now, I think as long as Tesla keeps cranking out vehicles there in China and they continue to grow, that people are going to want to buy the next best thing. If they don't want to buy the American-owned Tesla, they're going to want to buy the China-owned Nio, and I think that's going to be very beneficial for Nio as they continue to grow. Now, I plan on making these Nio videos at least 1 to 2, maybe even 3 a week as time goes on here, just because there is so much momentum going on in this stock. So if you guys want to watch me continue talking about Nio and many other stocks, as I always do, please do consider subscribing. I have so many videos on my channel. I I think close to 400 of them now. So anyways, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon.